Welcome to all. மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ் அல்ஜீப்ரா TNTETக்கு சில வினாக்களை விடையுடன் உங்களுக்கு கூறவிருக்கிறேன். வினா கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 1. ஜென்ரல் ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் ஏ குவாட்ரட்டிக் ஈக்குவேஷன் இஸ் 4 ஆப்ஷன் கொடுத்துருக்கு. ஜென்ரல் ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் குவாட்ரட்டிக் ஈக்குவேஷனை கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் வந்து a squared plus bs plus c is 0, b x squared plus c is equal to 0, a squared plus bs plus c is equal to 0. a is not equal to 0. d bx plus c is equal to 0. Option c is the correct answer. a squared general form of quadratic equation of a squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, second question. Let a squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 be a quadratic equation. Which of the following statements is true? A. If b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and distinct. This is wrong. If b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are imaginary. It is also wrong. If b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, the roots are not exist. This is also wrong. Option D is the correct answer. If b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. So option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. If b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. Next. Question number 3. Among the following statements, which is true? A quadratic equation must have minimum 2 roots. This is only correct answer. Conjugate roots always occur in pairs. The other options are wrong. A quadratic equation will have 4 roots. This is also wrong. A quadratic equation can have 1 root. This is also wrong. So, a quadratic equation must have minimum 2 roots. This is the correct answer. Okay, next, fourth question. The roots of x squared plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0 are imaginary, distinct, equal, D0. The roots of x squared plus 6x plus 9 is 0 are equal roots. This will be correct answer. Because find b squared minus 4ac from this equation. b squared minus 4ac. The discriminant b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. Here a is 1, b is c, c is 9. So here b squared is 36 minus 4ac, also 4 into 1 into 9, also 36, is equal to 0. So here, if this discriminant delta is equal to b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. So here the option C is equal. So this is only correct answer. Next, 5. The value of I power 4 plus I cube plus I is I squared I power 4 plus I cube plus I. I power 4 plus I cube plus I. I squared is minus 1. Therefore, I power 4 is minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. I cube will be, we can write this as I squared into I. I squared minus 1, so minus I. 1 plus at last plus I. Plus I minus I 0. So only answer. So the value of I power 4 plus I cube plus I is option A 1. This is the correct answer. Leave it others. Next, question 6. Question number 6. The roots of the equation x squared minus x minus 1056 is equal to 0. The roots of these equations are, four options are here. 32, minus 32, 30 dollar, 32, 33, only sign only changed. If you multiply these two numbers, you can get 1056. But we have to choose which option, because here first one minus, second here both are minus, here both are plus, here first one minus. But numbers are different. We can find out from this, if we multiply quadratic equation, roots are, the solutions are only two numbers. If we multiply two numbers, we should get 1056. If we multiply any two numbers, we must get minus 1056. If we add these two numbers, we should get the coefficient x is minus 1. Thus, if we multiply these two equation, if we multiply the root two numbers, the two numbers are roots, that is values of x. If we multiply the two numbers, we must get minus 1056. If we add these two numbers, we must get minus 1. From this, we can check. Minus 1, when we will get minus 1? This is impossible. Here, 32 minus 33 minus 30 is plus 1 only. Minus 1 we must get this result. Here it is impossible. This also impossible. If you add these two, more than 65. 65 coming. This also not. If you add these two numbers, both are negative. It is also minus 65 coming, so it is also wrong. If you add this, minus 33 plus 32 is minus 1. So this is correct. If you add these two numbers, we can get minus 1. If you multiply both, we can get 1000 minus 1056. This one. This is the multiplication of two roots. This is the minus 1 is the sum of two roots. So this is option D is the correct answer. Next question 7. 4 is the root of the equation. 4 is the root of the equation x equal to minus 9s plus k is equal to 0. The value of k is, substitute x in this equation. X squared, x is equal to 4. 4 squared 16. 16 minus 9 9 into 4 36 minus 36 plus k is equal to 0. 16 minus 36 is minus 20 plus k is equal to 0. Therefore, k is equal to minus 20 goes right side, it will become plus 20. So the value of k is 20 plus 20. See option A is 20. This is the correct answer. Then question number 8. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation 11x squared plus 121x plus 11 is equal to 0, then the value of alpha squared plus beta squared is. First, we can reduce this equation. 11x squared plus 121x plus the given equation is 11x squared plus 121x plus 11 is equal to 0. Divide by 11. It is divided by 111. X squared. Here 121 divided by 11 is 11. X plus 11 by 11 only 1 is equal to 0. We can reduce this given equation as this way. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, then the value of alpha squared plus beta squared. Alpha squared plus beta squared is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Using this formula, we can find the value of this alpha squared plus beta squared. Here alpha plus beta means sum of the roots. Here sum of the roots means minus b by a. Here minus 11. Alpha beta is minus b by a. A is 1, b is 11, c is 1. Alpha plus beta is minus 11, take square, minus 2. Product of the roots. Alpha beta is the product of the roots, c by a. 1 by 1, 1 only. 2 into 1. 2 into 1. This is sum of the roots, square, minus 2 into product of the roots. Here 1 equal to minus 11 squared is 121 minus 2. 121 minus 2 is 119. 119 is the value of alpha squared plus beta squared. See, where is the 121? 119. Option A, only 119. This is the correct answer. That is the value of the alpha squared beta squared is 119. This is the exact answer of this question. Then question number 9. If the sum of the roots of the equation x squared plus px plus r is equal to 0 is 0. Sum of the roots is 0. Sum of the roots of this equation is 0. Sum of the roots means minus b by a. Then the value of p is, we can easily find out. Sum of the roots minus b by a. Here a is 1, b is p, c is r. Sum of the roots. Sum of the roots here minus b by a. Minus b. Here minus b means p. A is 1. Here is 0 given. Minus p is equal to 0. Also plus p is also is equal to 0. This is the answer. The value of p is 0 only. Option C is the correct answer. Next, question number 10. The roots of the equation x squared minus 7x plus 8 is equal to 0. This is the answer. Option A is rational. If we solve this equation using quadratic formula, this is rational only. Then 11th question. If alpha is one root of the equation x squared plus 7x plus 1 is equal to 0, then the other root is. If alpha is one root of the equation x squared plus 7x plus 1 is equal to 0, then the other root is. Here, the sum of the roots, alpha is one root, then another one root. So that is, from this equation, the sum of the roots. Sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. Here, minus 7 by 1 is equal to minus 7 only. Product of the roots. Product of the roots is equal to c by a. That is 1 by 1 is 1 only. Product of the roots is 1. Here already, if alpha is the one root, then 1 by alpha. Since this is another root, alpha is one root, then the other root is 1 by alpha. Because the product of the root is 1. Alpha cancel, so 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, option C is the 1 by alpha. This is the correct answer of this question. If you like this video, share and subscribe and write your opinion in the comment box. Daily, according to the comments and all of your opinions, I upload another videos from mathematics for TNTET. Thank you very much.